Here I have Samsung Galaxy A01 Core, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the system section, then to the about phone, and here you have to find the line build number and tap on it with your finger several times until you get the message developer mode has been enabled. And now you can find your developer options here at the system section, and here they are. From here you can disable them too, and after that they should disappear from the settings list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.